1 power 39, 2 power 39, 3 power 39 and so on up to 12 power 39 divided by 39. 1, 2, 3 till 12. The series is in arithmetic progression. Power is an odd number, so it is divisible by sum of its bases. Summation 12 is 12 into 13 by 2, which is 78. Any number divisible by 78 is also divisible by 39, because 78 is nothing but 2 into 39. 78 is 2 into 39. Answer is 0. 0. Next, one more question. Right? Once you understand the various models, then once you look at a new question, you will probably not fear. Next question. Reminder 1. 1 power 7, 2 power 7 and so on up to 100 power 7 divided by 202. 202. You can use this problem to solve two methods. Method 1. Power is an odd number, so it is divisible by summation 100. 100 into 101 by 2. It is 50. 50 is 2 into 25. 101 multiplied by 2. 202. Divided by 202. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. If the power is an odd number. Method 2. In case if you forget this method. Method 2. Listen carefully. First and last. It is divisible by 101. Second and 99. 101. Like that. From 1 to 100 there are 50 doublets. There are 50 doublets. First and last 101, second and 99 101, like that 50 doublets. 50 into 101. 50 is 2 into 25 into 101. 2 into any number 101. It is divisible by 202. You can either use method 1 or you can use method 2. 74 power 13 minus 41 power 13 plus 75 power 13 minus 42 power 13 divided by 66. 74 power 13 minus 41 power 13. We did not discuss a power n minus b power n model. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b. 74 minus 41 is 33. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b. Question is divisible by 33. But answer is 66. Go and find the nature. 74 is even. Even power any number is even. 41 is odd. Odd power any number is odd. This is odd. Odd power any number is odd. 42 is even. Even power any number is even. Even minus odd. Odd. Odd minus even. Odd. What is odd plus odd? Odd plus odd is even. That means numerator is divisible by even, divisible by 33. It means it is divisible by 66. Answer 0.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.